Hi everyone! I chose to do my final project on Pixton. Pixton is an online software that allows you to create your own comics. It's really useful for education, which is my major, because you can see your students' comics online as well. And it's really good just to get students used to writing and creating their own stories and putting pictures and backgrounds that go along with their stories. So here we have my classroom, which is 3rd grade ELA, and then my own comics, my content pack, which is what characters and backgrounds I have, my favorites, and then printables, which printables are really cool because you can print out your avatars, speech bubbles, class expectations, character maps, classroom supply labels, voice levels, and you can even print out your own students' characters, which is really cool because when you're inside a classroom, you can have the students' icon on their desk so they always remember where to put or where to sit. And I think that's really cool that they include all of this because it really allows the students to even see their characters on the classroom expectations, and it's really nice that they have the voice level printouts so I can remind students that we need to be on a voice level 0 if we're doing independent work and it's supposed to be quiet. So here we have my own comic. This is my comic that I would use to introduce the software to my students. So it just says, "Hi class, today we're learning about Pixton. This is a website where you create a comic or story. We'll be using this a lot in our ELA class. You can choose so many different backgrounds and write whatever you want. As you can see here, I made my character in the age of the dinosaurs. I better run fast. There are so many things you can create with this software. I want you all to explore it and get used to using it because we're going to be using it a lot throughout the school year." And so when we go back to the classroom, you can view my class. On this page you will see where all the students are joined, and it has a student join link here. And then student comics, which is where all their comics will be posted when they create them. And then here we have our class photo, which is I really like this a lot because you can change it to certain days, like this is for Earth Day. And then we can do superheroes. And then we can also do like graduation for when they graduate elementary school. And you can even edit your avatar as well, pose and everything. And then so to create a comic, you go here and we'll create a new comic. We'll do this one in classroom. So you can choose your background. It's really cool because you can choose like different labels and everything. So here's the classroom. And then you can choose your own character. I really like this because in the beginning, which I didn't get to record, but it allows you to choose, like if you have certain students who are in wheelchairs or have hearing aids or are non-binary, they give you options in the creations or like in the characters that will allow them to really make the character who they are. And I think that's so amazing. So here we're going to choose this one. And then you get to choose their outfit, and let's see. He will be wearing this. And then you can choose his hair color, and then his hairstyle. Let's do this one. And then you can choose his focus, which is like the main point of everything. And so we'll stick with this one. And then you can go to his face. We'll do this. And then his action. And then you can go into the words. We'll type "welcome class." And then you can click add new panel. And then you can choose any of the backgrounds that you have. There's more backgrounds that you can purchase, which are the ones that are locked, which is really cool. But yeah, that's about it. I really like this application, and I'm really going to be using it when I start teaching because I think it's a fun way to interact with my students and see all of their work and just let them have fun with learning, which is really cool. I hope y'all enjoyed it.